Hello viewers, welcome to our first video. In this video, we are going to model a fidget spinner. First, open Catia V5 R21 version application. Then go to Start menu, then Mechanical Design, and then Part Design. This is how Part Design interface looks. We will have many options here. Before we start sketching, we have to select a plane, so let's select the YZ plane. And then click on the sketch. If we don't click on the sketch, we don't get the access to draw on the plane. We will start with a circle and point it to the center of the plane. So, to give the dimensions, we have to select the option called Constraints. Give the diameter as 22 mm as it is the OEM bearing dia. Now, let's select another circle for the outer part and the dimension for it be 30 mm dia. Now, let's draw the wheel-like structure at the bottom. So, select the circle again. And we will draw it from the inner circle, exactly from the center of the diameter axis. And the diameter of it be 70 mm. And we will draw another circle from the same point and the diameter of it be 80 mm. Now, before proceeding further, we will draw two construction lines along the x-axis and y-axis, as these make things easy while applying constraints. Let's draw the head structure for it. Select a circle, point it there, and the diameter of it be 16 mm. We will draw two lines there for the joining neck, one line on the left hand and the other line on the opposite side of it. Let's give symmetry to these two lines with respect to the y-axis by selecting the construction line. Let the distance between those two lines be 6 mm. Now, let's draw the handlebar. Select a line and point it there and find the intersection to get a closed sketch. And another line on the bottom. And there is no need for dimensioning between these two lines, as they are constrained already. Select a line and draw it below the x-axis construction line. And another line above it. We have to give symmetry for these two lines with respect to the x-axis. And distance between these two be 6 mm. Coming to the leg part, take a line, join it to the upper seat line. And another line, joining the bottom seat line. Now, let's select a continuous sketch profile to finish it in a single shot. Now, let's do the dimensioning. Distance between these lines is 6 mm as usual as give for others. And select the two lines and give coincidence, so that they will be on the same line on the y-axis. Now, let's select the option, Quick Trim, to delete the extra lines and curves, so that we will have a closed profile for extruding. Be cautious while trimming, don't trim the main sketch profiles. Hope we are almost done. Now let's check by selecting the sketch analysis option. we don't have any open profiles. Now let's proceed with extrude, which is a pad in Catia. Give mirror extent and length be 5 mm. Give the color for it also. Go to the part body, properties, graphic, color and black. Now let's just do some fillet for edges. We will select the critical edges and which are feasible for manufacturing. And let's give the radius as 1 mm. Now, let's draw the bearing solid body in another part design window. Select the YZ plane as usual. Select a circle and point to the center of the plane. And the dimension of it be 22 mm. Exit the sketch. And extrude it using pad. Give mirror extent and length to be 3.25 mm. Let's give biscuit color to it in the same method as done before. Let's save it and proceed with assembling. Click on the Start menu, Mechanical Design, Assembly Design. So, to import the part designs, click on Product 1. Go to Insert an existing component, select the spinner body. This is our spinner body. Click on Product 1, Insert existing component and bearing body and open. The assembly is already made. As the reference planes were the same with both part designs, we can save it. In the coming video, we will see the tool simulation of it. Thank you.